G'day, cheers everyone. Sonia Bernard here, linked by Ink, your independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. How are you doing? It's another Thursday at 3. That's when I do my YouTube videos. I try every Thursday. So I alternate between doing a class to go and then doing something different, maybe a different kind of fold or something different. Well, today I'm going to show you how to make this super cute little treat holder. Yes! And you are going to love how quick and easy these are. And they're very multi-purpose. Here's one I did Halloween. You still have time to whip a whole bunch of these up. You're going to love it. You're going to love it. And then sneak peek, little Valentine's Day. Yes. These are Cadbury Caramellos. Yum. My favorite. I grew up eating Cadbury in Australia. Love Cadbury. Okay, let's just turn this down and show you how quick and easy. It's going to be a quick video today. Super quick. Okay, let's turn it down. Let's just change some things. Boop, boop. Okay. Bibbity bobbity boo. Let's see how straight we can get this today. Let's just give me, oh no, not even on the right place. Here we are. Refresh. Okay, we are in. So the first thing you need is a piece of 6x6 designer series paper. Any paper that you want to use, you can. It's so quick and easy. Are you ready? You need a bone folder. Get your bone folder. 6x6 paper. Turn it into a diamond. You can do it either way. I want this blue on the outside, so I'm going to fold it to the outside. So we're folding in half and making our diamond into a triangle, and just try to get that folded to the corner there. And just work the paper, because I want it even, so look pretty. As even as possible. Then use that bone folder. So we have triangle. Okay, with the long part facing towards you, get the top and just go straight down to this line down here. Okay, bone folder. So next we're going to lift that up. We're going to take this corner, and you see this line here that we've just made with our bone folder? We're simply going to fold that so that this runs exactly along that line. In case you missed it, we're just taking the corner, bringing it in. You've got your crease here. You see that crease? And we want to bring it in to fold to that line. Then we want to do the exact same thing on the other side. So you can put your finger right there on that edge to form your edge, and just bring it up so that it's even, so we have a nice little, everything's lined up. You see that? It's a little hug. It's a paper hug, literally. And then we fold this top part down. What? That's it. Now I'm going to show you why you don't need glue, but you do want dimensional. See how this is flopping up here? So to keep it all together, that is where we're bringing in our 2-inch punch, and punch out a circle of a coordinating color. This is boho blue. And then we're going to get our 1 3/4 inch punch, and we're going to do a basic white or a vanilla, a very vanilla, whatever you're doing, stamping. Then we have got, I use this Happy Holidays out of the Above It All stamp set. Hadn't even used this yet. I've got so much stamping, so little time. Okay, and I'm going to use Knighted Navy, which is another coordinating color. And if you wanted to, you could use boho blue, but I really want to tie both things in. So, oh, my Knighted Navy's got a little couple of bumps on it. Looks like a little bit of bumpy bumps. That'll be fine. I'll just scrape them off and it'll work just fine. So if you ever get little bumps like this, I don't know if you can see that. I'm going to bring it up. Can you see the little bumps? Yeah, those things, just scrape them off. And it's just chemistry. Who knows? There's nothing wrong with your ink pad. It'll be fine. Okay, so we're going to do the happy holidays. Whoop. Then all we have to do is we're going to put some dimensionals on this. Now, when you're putting them on, you can put 3, 4, whatever you want, but put them towards the edge. There's a reason for this. I'm going to do 4 just because. Okay, now you're going to take those off, and one of them, at least, have that going on the bottom, and it doesn't matter what, because it's a circle, right? Or near the bottom, you're going to put it so it's going to hit onto this and this. So that's kind of like your glue. Right there. And then, now look. It's not flopping up because we've just used that dimensional to keep everything closed. Boom. Yes, then another couple of dimensionals. I told you it's going to be quick today. I wasn't joking. I'm going to bring you quick and easy sometimes, because who doesn't need quick and easy? Now, look, it's not even too late. You want to make a bunch of these for your kids' class, or a bunch for co-workers, there's still time. Halloween's still, what, 5, 6, 7 days away? See how quick that one piece of paper took me to make? You could set this up so you have a whole bunch going, you know, in a row, and you could easily, you know, get a couple of friends together. You could knock out so many of these. I'm actually going to do this blue sparkle one this time. Whoops. There's a trick to using. You take your pick tool, you kind of slide and push it, okay? Slide and push. We're going to use a little blue sparkles. Slide and push, and it'll just bring it right up. Push, boom. So we've got some blue sparkles on that one. And then you, I think this is retired hole punch. Any hole punch you have, and you don't even have to do this. This is just adding a little extra. And my daughter's boyfriend, who's 20, he was like, oh yeah, you could hang those on the tree. Excuse me, more. And he's so right. So we'll make this one. Let's close that ink up before I put my hand in it, because you know that's what's going to happen. Oh my gosh, sorry, I'm actually a little sick right now. I have a dry sinus infection. Not to share too much, but yeah, never heard of that before. My head was, oh gosh, it was awful yesterday. It was, I won't even go into the pain. It was like paralyzing pain. And thank goodness, a bit of both, for modern medicine. Because as soon as I took that medicine, about an hour later, started feeling better. Okay, so we've just got some fun ribbon. I'm going to trim that up and make that a little neater. Just trim this a little bit. Oh, here comes my cat. I don't like when ribbon is not trimmed up. So that is, just in case you're wondering, I think this is available. I'm not sure. You'd have to, don't quote me, but it's the sheer ribbon from the mini. And hopefully, I'm hoping that this goes into our online exclusives after the mini ends. I'm hoping they put a lot of the mini on and just leave them in the online exclusives till they sell out or whatever, but we'll see, we'll see. Okay, and then we've got some ribbon, and then you can put your favorite candies right in there. I didn't bring extra. We'll take it out of that one. And it's quite spacious, so you could put a lot of different things in here. You could put a gift card even in there, and have that hanging on the tree with a put on the back to and from, and it makes a little gift. And now it's a hanging ornament for your tree as well. Look at that. Do we love it? Did I stay in frame? I hope so. Okay, so like I said, I did the Halloween one, and that was using that fun paper. It's got all the skeletons on the back, and we just used the Trick or Treat. It was from Tricks and Treats stamp set. in the bling, I believe this is in the annual catalog, adhesive backed sparkle gems, and put a little bit of bling on that. Black would look good on here too, that would really pop. And then little sneak peek alert, you can get this not till January. This is going to be the January to April. I think this is going to sell quick. So if you want it, I mean, you don't put a pin in it now. You don't need it now, but keep it in your mind for after Christmas, January. You're going to want this set. It's adorable. Be My Valentine. And we used Happy Valentine's Day there. And then these little gems are so cute. They're like puffy, but not. They're like hard, but they look like those puffy stickers that you used to get as a kid. And they're called adhesive backed hearts and flowers. And you know, Valentine's Day always sells out really quick at the beginning because you don't have much time before Valentine's Day. You know, our catalog goes live, I think, January 6th, maybe. Somewhere between January 1st and January 6th, the catalog will go live. And then you've only got, you know, it comes in, if you order straight away, you've got to wait because there's going to be a lot of orders. So you want to get that day one to guarantee that you're going to get. And even then, there's no guarantee. So if you want this, put in your order early. Early, I'm just saying. Just saying. Okay, so there we go. Trick or treat. Happy Valentine's Day. Happy holidays. Now, think birthday parties. You know, you could even take these and make them little birthday party, the treat bags for the birthday party. You could put get well soon and have, you know, a little packet of honey and a little tea bag in there. What else could we do? Baby favors. You know, if you're having a little baby shower, you know, you could have these as little thank you gifts or something in there. Little thank you presents. Even if like a wedding or something, you could even get fancy these up. But how quick and easy to make. Now remember, August 31st is Halloween. August 31st. Oh, the medication's getting to my head. Okay. October 31st is Halloween. Okay. And so we've got a couple of days left, but you can knock these out really quick. And also, Halloween is the end of our join special, and that is 35% off the starter kit. So you can purchase the starter kit, pay $64.35, and you get $125 in product, or you can pay $99 and get $168.75 in product. And you also get a free virtual on stage, and that is a $77 value, and a paper pumpkin, that's a $24.50 value, and business supplies. If you wanted to, you don't have to, just grab it because it's a great deal for no other reason. Yeah, I'll put the link in the comments if you want to go ahead and purchase that starter kit. There's no commitments, there's nothing to lose, there's just great value to be had. Okay, guys, I hope you've enjoyed it. I hope I've kept it short and sweet. And have a wonderful Halloween and week ahead. And I will see you next week with another class. Don't forget to go check out my current class. Super cute. Okay, guys. Bye now.